So, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni bafethu. Back again, back with another video. Igama usabelo umfana kamdluli. And yes, the day has arrived bafethu. International Week, Bafana Week. I'm not talking about the Springboks, I'm not talking about the Proteas. Bafana Week. Ningangitsheli ngezinye izinto ezenzakalayo. It's Bafana Week. Ngiyazi ukuthi a lot is happening in this country. Abobheki Cele, aboHongani Muamela, the Madlanga Commission, General Mkhwanazi, Masemula, Kate Matlala, all that shenanigans that are happening in Mzansi bafethu. But let's stick to the positive right now. In fact, it's not really a positive because we needed one win. Or we needed a draw tonight to safely say we are going to the World Cup in 2026. But you know what happened 2 weeks ago, Bafethu? We were docked 3 points by FIFA because of mismanagement. Mismanagement from SAFA officials. Till this day, those niggas have got to go. They have to go. Danny Jordan, nalimpintshi zakhe zonke. We need a new structure there. We need new voices, we need new people, we need young people, fresh minds. Okay, Bafethu. Today, let's talk about fresh minds. Bafana are in action against Zimbabwe. Our neighbors. Abomngani laba impintshi zethu labantu laba mfethu. Siringa nabo isiZulu, iSuthu, Shonga, yonke into. Sikanje neZimbabwe. Crucial game tonight. We have to win. It's a must win. Because a win, I can guarantee you, we are going to the World Cup. We win tonight, we are definitely going to the World Cup. Because Nigeria are playing who? Botswana. Yeah, Nigeria are playing Botswana. Benin, who are Benin playing? I think they're playing Rwanda. Yeah. So it's not going to be an easy game, but it's a must win, and I believe Bafana will beat Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe ayikho bafethu. Let's be honest. First leg, sibashaya 3-1. We knew how it ended that game. 3-1. It's another home game for us basically. Even though it's an away game, ngamaphepha, but in reality it's a home game. Edurban, Moses Mabhida. I'm expecting the crowd to be on point. Abantu baseDurban ngiyanazi bafethu. You are always on point. School holidays nakhona. Come on, it's a Friday. Come on, weekend kusasa. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, bafethu. It's a crucial game. And I don't know if you've been following in social media. The Nigerians, baganje, baqalile. They're like this. When we were docked till 3 points, they were happy. They said, yes, we are back. We are going to the World Cup. South Africa, you have fucked up. We are going to the World Cup. Because of you, we are going to... No, it's not going to happen like that. Because guess what, Nigeria? You're playing in Botswana and you are playing number 1 currently, Benin. You are playing Botswana away. I'm expecting them to win that game. Then you have to play Benin. Benin are currently first position. We are second. Nigeria is third. Nigeria, yes, Landela, Tina, ne Benin. 3 points. They are only 3 points behind us. We beat Zimbabwe. Benin beats Rwanda, which I doubt. Sorry about that, guys. I doubt Benin izoyishaya Rwanda because Rwanda are good at home. Then the second leg comes in. I believe Guti, the last games are gonna be the ones that are gonna tell us Guti who is going to the World Cup, who is going to the playoffs. Angifuni ukudlala ama-playoffs, I'm sorry. Rather be Nigeria or Benin. Because let me tell you what, 2 games now, eMbombela nase eMabhida. It's Benin, eMbombela, eMabhida is Zimbabwe. We beat Zimbabwe, we are on 3 points. 3 points. Benin, 3 points. Come on. No, Rwanda, my bad, Rwanda. Rwanda ngisabi. Ingishayile feli Rwanda. Ishayile bafethu Rwanda. We knew that game, we saw that game, we lost. We were not there. Besingekho mnandi that day. Angazi amajita kade kenzakalani, ama-jet flags. Kade bakhathele, bokunamakwali. I don't know what happened that day, but we lost to Rwanda. But crucially, we are gonna win that game. We are gonna win that game. I'm so excited, bafethu ukuthi finally these mother effers are going to the World Cup. But it's not done yet. Nigeria, you are going to be the reason we are going to the World Cup. Mark my words. Clip this. I hope in your video I hope they all get it, the Nigerian content creators. You are going to be the reason why we're going to the World Cup. Because let me tell you something. You are going to do the job for us because you want to go to the World Cup. You are going to beat Benin that last game. Ni home foot in Nigeria. You are going to beat Benin with ease foot. Victor Osimhen. Victor Osimhen is back like he never left. Come on, Victor. Come on. Lukman, Chukwueze, Ndidi, Iobi. Come on. Beat them mother effers. But let me tell you something. I am gonna gloat all over you because you are going to be the reason why we are going to the World Cup. You are going to be the reason why we are going to the World Cup, Nigerians. So stop this thing of yours of being entitled. Stop thinking you are above everybody else because you are not. You are going to finish second. Let's be honest. You are going to finish second. We are not losing these two games. Against Agali. No way. 6 points guaranteed. Nigeria. I'm going to say this in advance. Ngizonitshela fast manje. Thank you. Thank you for being the reason we are going to the World Cup. Thank you. On that bombshell, bafethu, I'm out. Sizobona against Agalani. 6 o'clock. All games are played at 6 o'clock. We win tonight, I can guarantee you we are going to the World Cup. Hugo Bros, I hope you get the lineup perfect. Don't mess around. Boys, do not mess around. Do not be complacent. Ninganyathi ina Zimbabwe. Bese washanga isikole esibhlungu se-1-0. Yo! Imagine that happens. But anyway, guys, I'm out. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below all the shenanigans. Niyazi ukuthi kenzakalani la eMzansi bafethu. Nama shenanigans ayenzakala la eMzansi. Ngicela niyenzeni nawo nakimi. Press that like button, subscribe to your boy. Bafana. We are out.